Treatment for decompression sickness, also known as the bends, can be costly both for the individual and for the operation of the facility. Even so, some fishers still want the government to establish another hyperbaric chamber in the country. But this does not appear likely to happen anytime soon. Shamala Pullen has part 2 of her series.
When divers develop decompression sickness, commonly known as the bends, they can access treatment quickly at the hyperbaric chamber in St. Anne. This is a facility designed to restore the body by using pressurized oxygen to reverse the dangerous effects of rapid ascent to the water surface by divers. I'm inside the only hyperbaric chamber in Jamaica. It's located in Discovery Bay, St. Anne. The chamber has been around since 2012, and so far it has treated about 130 patients.
For persons who have bends or decompression sickness, the pressure in the chamber will help to shrink the bubbles, as well as the oxygen that is delivered to them at intervals will help to heal their tissues and help them to remove the nitrogen that's trapped in their body.
But for divers in Rocky Point, Clarendon, that same care is hours away. Calls for a second chamber on the south coast have grown louder.
If a man get liquor so right now and he want to go in that chamber, you know, far, you have to go right now. And you see, like when you get lit now, want to drive, go, shaking up. And then as soon as by the time, sometime when they reach, then they grind right up already. You can't work, it don't make no sense.
The financial challenges for treatment remain daunting.
Each treatment is approximately 145,000 Jamaican dollars. And how long does it stay in here, in the chamber? About 5.5 hours.
Not to mention the cost to operate and sustain a chamber.
It varies throughout the year, so we'll have some months that might go by without any DCS cases. And for example, in July, August, that's when we typically see a lot of cases. So we'll have maybe 2 to 3 for July and maybe another 3 cases in August. And it generally tapers off towards the end of the year.
There could always be another 1, 2, 3. However, what we need to concentrate on is reducing the amount of cases.
How do we do that?
By additional training, by public awareness, like what you're doing right now. This will allow people to see what the issue is, have fishers reach out to the National Fisheries Authority if they have a community that is diving a lot and they feel they are not properly trained or they need a refresher, they can reach out to us and we'll assist them.
Fisher folks, whether here or at another fishing village in Jamaica, are encouraged to take extreme caution when they go out to sea and to ensure that they wear the proper gears. Reporting from Rocky Point in Clarendon, I'm Shamala Pullen for TVJ News.